Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss converting a drawing into a symbol. So how we convert a drawing into a symbol. So first of all you have to create a new document flash file. Now you can see a new window will appear. First of all, we have to upload a image. You have to upload a picture. You can import a picture. It's up to you. You can draw anything. So I will import a picture. So I will click file menu here. You can see the dialog box will appear. You can see import. So I will choose import to stage. So you can import any image. I will import the picture of a bird. So I will import the picture of a bird here, open. Now you can see here the characteristics of this bird. Here we have to change the width and height. It's up to you. So I will choose 200 width and 200 height. Now you can see here the picture of a bird. So this is a drawing. So you have to change this drawing into a symbol, and you know that symbols is stored in library. You can see the right side of a window. This is a library. You can store the symbols here. So first of all, there are two methods of converting a drawing into a symbol. So first method is you have to select that picture, select the selection tool here and select the image like this. Now you can select the image. We have now further two methods. One is shortcut method. You have to press F8 function key to open the dialog box. Here F8 function key, you have to press F8 function. When you have to press F8 function, this dialog box will appear. Convert to symbol. Here name, type, options are given. Okay, one this method. Other method is you can go to the modify, and here you can see the modify menu. You have a dialog box will appear. You can see the second option is convert to symbol. Here you can see the F8 function is a shortcut method. Here you can choose convert to symbol. Here press convert to symbol. Now the dialog box will appear. We have changed the name and type. Here I will choose the bird name. Bird new is the name. You can select any, you can choose any name. Now you can choose the type because it is an image, it is a drawing. So you have to choose graphic, not button, because it is not button, it is not movie clip. This is a drawing. This is a changing drawing, converting drawing. So you have to choose graphic type and then click OK. When you press OK, now you can see the right side of a window in library. You can see here we have two symbols here, bird and bird new. This bird is the previous bird with bitmap type, old one picture. Now you can see this bird new is the new type converting. This type is graphic, and you can see here this bird new is a new image. So this drawing is converting into a form of symbol. So here it is a symbol and stored in library. So this is the method to convert a drawing into a symbol. So it's up to you. You can import a picture or you can draw anything. You can draw any picture and you have to convert it into a symbol. So the shortcut method is you have to press function key F8, and other method is you go to the modify menu and choose convert to symbol, and choose that name and type. When you have to click OK, then you have to see the right side of a window. Here you can see the symbol is stored in the library. So if you like my video, then share and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.